The Story of Trains, a series about people and trains. Hello, folks. It's me, Trainer Dean here. Taking a very long time. Now I'm in here meeting we'll hop on the metro and run along the Silver Line to Orbit. And, well, I'm not gonna tell any spoilers, so you'll have to find out for yourself. So come on, me and Thomas are friends on the Story of Trains, and him too, and Tank. All aboard! I am Trainer D. Mellon, and I present to all of you The Story of Trains. Get there. Pray by me at the end, along with the song and the roll on the show. Last time on the Story of Trains. I don't wait the ultimate, I see. Hey, we did it! Wow! I haven't been to the before. Get the metro! We better go! Now, here is part 2. Part 2, Thomas and friend to Walmart on the Washington Metro. We arrive at New Calton Station.
New Calton, Maryland, with trains over to the Metro Market and Amtrak trains. It's 1:22. Look, they're the bottom Metro liners. Wait up!
Later, we made our way onto the platform where a 703 Metro train was there, but the doors closed. It was not open. Maybe Salty popped up.
Ahoy, me hearties! We're on the platform, but the doors are closed. When are they gonna open the doors so we can get on board?
Naheem knows the driver on the train. We called out to the driver, but the driver couldn't hear us.
Excuse me!
Then there came the sound of a K5LA air horn.
Uh-oh, that's Nestella. Oh. That way! There it goes! Wow, what a good catch, me hearty.
I know.
But Winnie, when is the driver gonna open the doors? Oh, please open the door, me hearty. We need to get to our destination.
But the driver still did not open the doors.
All these passengers are waiting.
We're waiting. And then something unexpected happens.
Hey!
The train takes off without us.
But what about us? Me hearty! 7,000 train! Wait! Come back!
And me and Naheem are still in confusion.
Well, what do
and
you know?
Amtrak train pulls in with 2 locomotives. A double header.
It's a double header! A double header, me hearties. Awesome, right? You tell me, Salty. I guess while we wait for the metro train, we can just record this Amtrak train.
Amtrak what? Wow, double headers! I guess this train is so long, it needs another engine help. Now that's what I call working together.
Indeed.
Well, this train's out of here. Now that's what I call working together at one.
Pull hard, pull hard. Set the first 64. I'm pulling, says 644.
And they cut other one broke down.
Probably. But it's double Pentecost up name. It's a double header.
They helping each other. They work together.
Pull hard, we'll do it. Pull hard, we'll do it. Pull hard, we'll do it. Shannon the two H64 together.
Pull hard, we'll do it.
Pull hard, we'll do it.
Pull hard, they will do it. And the train has
No.
You know what I mean?
We can see it.
Hey, look, look.
Okay, I think it's our treat. Oh, look, there's one coming.
Perfect. Sure enough, there was a metro train coming.
No! Train!
Trains is hard work.
The train is coming indeed.
The metro train blew its horn. It was coming on the other track.
It's coming on this track, obviously.
A 7,000 series train pulls in.
No wonder.
Come on, Dave, to the front.
Good! I think I finally get on! All aboard! Finally!
Dave, to the front. Hurry up, Dave. Oh. Come on, Dave. Oh, all aboard. Let's go aboard.
Did you say that right?
No idea. And we can board the 7,000 series train. Nice. This is so nice.
Finally, we're on our way! We'll be at Equal Street in no time! The Chijos! I'm not gonna say it.
Alright, now somewhere. This is where the trespassing incident happened. Is it clear?
I don't know.
Or are we at the station?
Look out so that
train slowly pulling in. It's proceeding with caution.
Step back. Doors open.
Wait, yeah, this train going so fast. You remember mistake this for a high-speed train?
Right? That's what I just said. I have no idea.
Oh, here comes the next stop.
Next stop?
We pull into a station. Later, the train passes under the road.
We're on the train.
over many views, including a river, and we saw the tram line that runs to Union Station. Look, the vertical Grand Tunnel. But soon, the tunnel was coming up. The train speeds into the tunnel going underground. Rows of lights streak past the train. Later, we stopped at a station.
There, we're on the ground. We're down to the stadium.
I don't know if that other train gonna be there. Well, not gonna say. So, we're on our way again. The train speeds through the tunnel, with lots of lights streaking past the train. Later, at Roslyn Station.
Next stop is Courthouse.
Hey, show it to me about the.
Doors closed.
They're about to separate. Look. There's the tunnel going that way, but we're not going that way.
I want to see it. I want to see the. Hey, I want to see it too.
We pull out of the station,
Hold on.
and we turn.
Wow.
We now separated from the blue
It
line.
needs to fall down.
Yeah, for the bend.
I forgot. Look, Tank. See the end of the tunnel?
Not yet. Well, Black, my skills are better never did that. Hey! The train's gone.
Hey, looks like that's not a chance. Not a chance. Hey, I think I see another train ahead of us. That's all it like.
So did I. Hey! You're coming from toward me! Turn your camera!
Sorry, guys.
There you go. Wait a minute. Turns out we were not at the end of the tunnel yet. We had a few more stations stopped to go before we got to the end.
I think I said it wrong. We leave the tunnel after Billstone Station. Sorry, Dave.
Okay, now we really will about to see the end of the tunnel. It should be coming up any second.
We'll be at Parmigiana.
Well, the train needs one out.
Not at Dallas Airport anymore.
But somewhere in Dallas, this will be so exciting. It is. It is going to be exciting to see where else we'll be. And here we are, the end of the tunnel. We exited the tunnel to an amazing sight. Wow. Oh, come on. Maybe it will be faster than them.
No,
Then, further up ahead, we spotted another train ahead of us.
Oh no! There's a train ahead of us. Oh, finally! Hey, I forgot where no train is.
Okay, we're slowing down. I am not letting the guy today.
Uh-oh. You know it's gonna get closer to us. Might get
stop
closer.
operator. There's a train ahead of us.
And this train will be ahead of us. Look.
Zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Oh, no.
Zoom, and it's gone.
No, not first time.
Hey, look, the train's gone.
Open sesame. Open sesame.
The last train we're taking to the Civil Line.
Oh, we barely passed this.
I want
We step off the Orange Line train. Now we have to wait for a Silver Line train. At the same time, another train was there too.
Both leaving at the same time. Hey, you should be doing this.
As the train departed, Tank barked loudly at the train. He does this every time the train departs now. Which is kind of funny. Anyway, the train disappears into the distance. And it's gone. Now, we wait for a Silver Line train. While we were waiting, an out-of-service train passes by.
That's
And
it.
yes, Tank was barking at it too.
First time seeing it. Wow, this is our first time here.
Yeah, so how many minutes do we got until the Silver Line train comes, Nadine? We got 6 minutes, or 7, until the Silver Line train arrives. The next train's an Orange Line. Oh, an Orange Line. Okay. Hi, everyone. Hi, Mania. Hello. We just have the Orange Line, and now we're turning to the Silver Line. Oh, we're now on the Silver Line. It's gonna be awesome. It sure is!
Indeed.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look. It's a new Carlton bound Orange Line train.
And the train is out of here.
And the Orange Line, the Carlton bound train moves away.
Oh, look. It's this Orange Line train.
At the Orange Line train arrives, and Jake to blow his horn, and it was very
That
successful.
was awesome.
Wow, I can't believe you did that.
I know. That was awesome, was it? It sure was.
Bye-bye.
Well, you're not getting on this.
Doors opening. This is an Orange Line train to Vienna when boarding. Move to the center of the car. The next stop is West Falls Church. Step back. Doors closing.
Okay, get stuff ready. Oh, thanks about the park at this departing train. He's gonna go.
Train speeds away. Tank barked wildly at it. The train speeds away into the distance. Gotta get ready. The Silver Line train's coming next.
Hey, a train's here.
Eventually, our Silver Line train arrived.
Hey.
I tried to get Disney to blow his horn, which was very successful.
Very successful.
Yes, don't forget about us.
You know I never forget about y'all too. Now let's get on the Silver Line.
Woohoo, this is exciting.
We're gonna line on the Silver Line.
This is gonna be awesome.
Trent, get away from the doors. We got to go. Oh, sorry, one door. Come on.
Just get on.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Wow, look at these people on board.
I guess they're going to Dallas Airport or something.
Another train's coming. Hey.
Blast! And the cars are still going faster than us.
Quietly.
plant.
Wow!
And now we're on the Silver Line.
Wow, we're on the Silver Line. This is
But the
awesome.
problem was the cars, which were still faster than us.
Oh, the cars are still faster than us, though.
Traveled along the Silver Line for the first time. Me and Ahima saw sights we never saw before. It was an amazing experience for both me and Ahima and Tang. We pulled in to a station.
Wow! Is that Tyson Ball over there? Or is it over there?
Hard to tell, Diesel. Maybe Diesel. But Diesel, look up ahead. After the stop, we do go into a tunnel.
I call out to Nahim about the tunnel ahead.
Hey, after this stop, we do go into a tunnel. Look. Hey,
This is the
hey, 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 hey.
Silver Line train to
Where's that?
Ashburn.
Oh, I got this on train. The train.
Next stop is Greensboro.
What's it is?
Step back. Doors closing.
Greensboro. That's new.
Train tunnel approaching.
And we speed into the Silver Line tunnel. I think that was the only tunnel on the Silver Line. We were in a tunnel for a good while. Then finally, we exit the tunnel and arrive at Greensboro Station.
Greensboro Station in Virginia. I have no idea what part of Virginia we're in.
Doors closing.
It's not.
The next stop is our stop trains.
Yep.
We're ready.
So, we'll be there in a minute.
Hey,
Soon we arrive at Spring Hill Station.
What's the door saying?
As we exit the train, we walk the gap between the train and the
Hey,
platform.
Ready? Woo!
This is the Silver Line train
Bye.
to Ashburn. When boarding,
What?
move to
Behind
the
you.
center of the car. The next stop is where you rest and eat.
wow.
Step back. Doors closing.
We ain't resting ease. Weren't that the final station until the rest of the Silver Line opened? Yeah, I was. This train got kind of a long way to go until it reaches Green Street.
The Silver Line train pulled away. Tank barked even more wild. Anyway, the train disappears on its way to Ashburn. After the train disappeared, me and him looked around at the new sights we were discovering. It was all new to me and him. Never rode along the Silver Line before until that day.
Epic. Train tactic. Okay, do any of y'all see Walmart anywhere from here? Yeah. Let's get out of the station first.
Outside the station.
So here's the station pylon. It looks kind of weird, but looks good. Yeah. Though the station did come out in 2014, but yeah, looks good. All right, let's find this. All right, now let's find this Walmart.
So we started walking. We were trying to find the Walmart. Then we came to an intersection where we had to cross the street.
The Walmart's over there.
But you have to get across the street.
Ah, at the station. I can see.
Yeah. All right, where's Walmart? It should be over there. But the station's over there. We're not that far from it. Let's keep walking.
Okay.
It actually is quite nice here. Yeah, Thomas, it is.
It is our first time. But
Later, we were still walking. We took a wrong turn, and now we're heading the right way. It took us a while, but it was a nice walk for the human tank.
We should be at the Walmart by now. Are we lost?
No, we're not lost.
Maybe we tried to go wrong turn. Just a slight give me. I'll think gonna be. Of course think gonna be.
Wow, let's
There should be a sign saying for Walmart right about here. Good. We finally made it to Walmart.
Walmart in Tyson, Virginia. Now let's see what the Walmart has.
The Walmart looked kind of different and new. Wow, look at this place.
It's awesome.
Then
Okay,
Ted
Al.
saw another premium dog, and he did, well, you know.
Two Pomeranians.
The 2 Pomeranian dogs. Here. This is what they next month. That's what they next month.
Look at Tang. He cannot get a grip. He's slipping and sliding.
Pomeranian too?
Yep. Wow, it's neat. No.
Yeah. What? Oh, wait. I think we need to talk to my mom.
Yeah, you can take my phone number to your mom, then let me know.
Later at the toy section.
Wow. Me, Hardy. This is Thomas.
Yeah, but
It mostly has all the engines that we now have.
What about we get
yeah, but I don't have any money to get them, I'm afraid.
Come on, let's continue looking around before we have to hop back on the metro. Nice store they got here. It's awesome.
I remember there's Village. Let's look at books. They got puncture books. Shall we?
Okay. I just finished reading this book. What is it about? Ooh, the new Mighty movie. Mighty. Have you seen the movie?
No, and I don't think we never will.
Oh, that's bad. Maybe you can get the DVD.
Hopefully.
Right now, let's continue walking. We'll have to leave to hop back on the metro soon.
Well, trains, it's been fun, but time to head back to the metro train. Hold aboard! So we started walking back to the metro station, Spring Hill Station. We walked for a while.
Oh, please.
Take a picture of us in front of the pylon.
Okay.
Thanks, Nadine. Now let's catch that train. Wow, what a cool view. I'm coming, why don't ya? Learn to wait.
And our Silver Line train is here.
Well, I didn't drop it. At least one here. When I go back, it was gone.
Jeez, Tank, it's just a train. Well, look how empty this train is. We got the whole train to ourselves.
It's empty. See, my van is gone. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. We're not perfect.
Eat one. I just got eat one. That's it.
Next stop is Greensboro. Step back. Doors open.
As we arrive at East Falls Church,
Oh,
me and the train realize a
And also
mistake.
train just to let something behind makes the dog not happy.
Hey, where's the dog carrier?
Oh no! I was left behind!
That's embarrassing.
Oh dear!
Oh dear.
This is bad. Oh well, let's transfer over to the
Sorry, Tank.
viewing sign.
I'm sorry about the dog tail, Tank. It's on the dog. It's on.
This is a silver line train to Broadway,
Hey, Mommy.
center of the car. Next stop is Boston, Marymount University. Step back. Doors open.
Oh, good. Let me stop. Okay. We missed our train.
Hank was barking wildly at the departing train. He always does this, by the way, mind you. Keep that in mind, people. Anyway, the train slowly, well, not really slowly, pulled out of the station on the way to Largo. We weren't right to Largo. No, we were right to New Carrollton.
No, we don't.
Then later, our New Carrollton-bound Orange Line train arrives.
Let me get over. Another train here.
Hey, dude, Eddie Dalton's here.
Okay. Ready?
Let's get on.
Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
I'm sorry, Tank. This all is my fault. Let me in.
We speed through the tunnel, roads look like street past the train. For the rest of the journey, I was sad and embarrassed that we lost Hank's dog carrier. Anyway, we soon arrive at Roslyn Station. Now, we're with the Blue Line.
Roger Station. Transfer services to the blue line.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
Later, at Stadium Armory Station.
Step back, doors closing.
The train doors closed. Soon, we were on our way again. Later, we were speeding through a tunnel toward the tunnel's exit. But a surprise was waiting for us, because when we came out of the tunnel, it was nighttime.
Quick,
Dear, it's night
time. Oh, quick, here. Oh, dear.
Despite being happy to be riding on the train at night again, I was still upset. Later, we were now back along the northeast corridor, but it was nighttime. It was hard to see the tracks.
It's so dark we can really see. We know the northeast corner right behind us. Oh, we can barely see the tracks. Okay. Having it then.
Hey, you in our way.
We have to come down to the return spot and the Soul Train. You're in the way.
Come on, let's hit the train.
Doors open. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
It's called the last final stop. You Nessie.
Step back doors closed.
Hit the train. Look, you got to see it.
Now just us in the train car.
As we get close to the encampment, we saw the Acela Express at night. I still was upset and embarrassed also.
Finally! We never caught these celebrating! Whoa! It's nighttime, right?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, we made it. Here's all these dogs. Cool.
It's back. Amtrak train, are you alive here?
We pulled into the Cockney station. The train had to move up a little. I didn't really say much as I was still upset and embarrassed. Doors opened and we stepped off the train. The door chime stopped, confusing
Hey,
me.
do stop. That's up.
Ah,
Well then, this Metro episode.
but the way I want to ride Metro again.
His card is almost out.
Oh, dear. Hopefully we get my money soon.
Oh well.
Stay tuned for next time on Ride Metro. Until then, goodbye, Metro.
Say hi to my